Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen problem in the Blink Home Monitor app using an iPhone. If your screen is black, frozen, not loading, or live view won't open, follow the step. First, close the Blink Home Monitor app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your iPhone and remove the app. Now open it again and check if the screen works. Blink cameras need a strong Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi, not weak mobile data. If Wi-Fi is slow, move closer to the router. Open the app and look at the camera. If it says offline or live view failed, the screen won't load. This usually means a connection or power issue. A black or frozen screen is often caused by low battery. Remove the back cover and insert new AA lithium battery. Don't use rechargeable batteries. Unplug the CAN module from the power, wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the blue light to solid turn. After that, go to the App Store, search for Blink and tap Update if available. An outdated app can cause screen problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.